Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create shortcut for your Epic Games Launcher. So in order to do this, let's see my desktop, and as you can see I have no shortcut for this Epic Games Launcher, and I'm gonna show you a few examples on how to do it. The first one is when you have the Epic Games Launcher opened, right click on it and pin it to the taskbar. Now it should be pinned right here, and if we close it, it will be always visible right here, so we can open it. The next option is to go for our start. Here let's type in Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, find open file location. Now let's right click on it, then OK. If not like this, we can press and Ctrl C or right click and copy this icon and paste it to our desktop. Right here we should have a shortcut for this. We can rename it or do whatever we want with it. Double click on it and it should open our Epic Games Launcher as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.